इसे क्या कहते हैं? What is this called? What is this called? तुम्हें नहीं पता? You don't know? You don't know? आपको पता है? Do you know? Do you know? मुझे थोड़ी देर में पता चल जाएगा. I'll know in a little while. I'll know in a little while. ये क्या है? What is it? What is it? मुझे नहीं पता. क्या आपको पता है? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Do you know? यह मेरे लिए सरप्राइज है. It's a surprise for me. It's a surprise for me. क्या यह कुछ खास है? Is it something special? Is it something special? इससे हम क्या करते हैं? What do we use this for? What do we use this for? इसका कोई यूज नहीं है. It has no use. It has no use. यह कभी कभी काम आता है. It's useful sometimes. It's useful sometimes. हाँ आप ठीक कह रहे हो. Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. तुम थक गई हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? नहीं मैं नहीं थकी हूँ. No, I'm not tired. No, I'm not tired. क्या हम आगे बढ़े? Should we keep going? Should we keep going? क्या हमें अब रुक जाना चाहिए? Do we need to stop? Do we need to stop? इसे वापस रखो. Put this back. Put this back. ठीक है मैं इसे वापस रख दूंगी. Okay, I'll put it back. Okay, I'll put it back. यह कहाँ पर काम आता है? Where do we use this? Where do we use this? मुझे नहीं पता. आपको क्या लगता है? I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. What do you think? मुझे लगता है ये सही है. I think this is right. I think this is right. तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? मुझे नहीं पता. आप ही बताओ. I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. You tell me. मेरी राय में यह गलत है. In my opinion, this is wrong. In my opinion, this is wrong. तुम खुद ही समझ लो. You figure it out yourself. You figure it out yourself. ये क्या है? What are these? What are these? ये मेरी चीजें हैं. These are my things. These are my things. ये सब क्या है? What's all this? What's all this? ये मैंने खुद किया. I did this myself. I did this myself. क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. मेरे पास सुनने का समय नहीं था. I didn't have time to listen. I didn't have time to listen. ठीक है मैं फिर से कहता हूँ. Okay, I'll say it again. Okay, I'll say it again. मेरे पास अभी भी समय नहीं है. I still don't have time. I still don't have time. जल्दी कहो मेरे पास समय नहीं है. Say it quickly. I don't have time. Say it quickly. I don't have time. आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? आप ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can you do so? How can you do so? यह सच नहीं हो सकता. It cannot be true. It cannot be true. लेकिन यह सच है. But it's true. But it's true. मैं नहीं मानती. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. तुम्हें विश्वास करना होगा. You have to believe. You have to believe. मैं तुम्हें सबूत दिखा सकता हूँ. I can show you proof. I can show you proof. ये सच है. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. It's true. I'm not lying. It's true. I'm not lying. क्या वह बीमार है? Is he sick? Is he sick? क्या तुम सुन रही हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? नहीं मैं नहीं सुन रही. No, I'm not listening. No, I'm not listening. वहाँ कौन जा रहा है? Who is going there? Who is going there? कोई नहीं जा रहा. No one is going. No one is going. फिर क्या? Then what? Then what? मैं अपने काम में लग गई. I got busy with my work. I got busy with my work. यह फैसला हमेशा के लिए है. This decision is permanent. This decision is permanent. वह रहमदिल है. He is kind. He is kind. मेरा यह मतलब नहीं है. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. इसमें समय लगेगा. It will take time. It will take time. आप शायद सही हैं. You may be right. You may be right. आपकी सोच सही हो सकती है. Your thinking may be correct.